So, I can't quite remember how I ended that last clip, but we ended up going to the house that was booked, and we had a barbecue, and then me and Toby went and slept in the van outside. They slept in the house and we slept outside in the van. We actually had a very nice sleep. Did you sleep better?
I slept a lot better than in the house, so.
Yeah, did actually sleep a lot better. Got up this morning, realised that we were parked in a permits only car park. Sorry, it's really hot, so I've had to have the window open. Woke up this morning and realised that we were parked in like a permits only area, so we had to move all the vans first thing this morning. And in case you're wondering why I've got my glasses on, I have a wicked headache behind my eye. No, it's not a hangover. I've just got a headache behind my eye. So I've not put my contact lenses in, I'm just letting my eyes rest. But, before we start the video, I mean, look at this view. Just ignore all the dead flies, but look at this. That's where we are as well.
Yes.
But look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely warm. It's supposed to be like 18, 19 degrees today. And I don't know what the plan is, because Di's got a hostel booked, John's got a campsite booked, and I have nothing booked. So we will find out together. So we're on our way to a beach, I think.
Yeah, somewhere
Something like that. But we're gonna head off over there, figure out what we're doing for the day. When I know, I'll pick a camera up and let you know. But let's let the adventures begin. So when we get there, pick a camera up, keep you posted. So see you in a moment. Well, here we are. We are wherever we've got to. We're parked up by there. We did just come down that bit of road, and all three of us bottomed out. Di was in front and he was scraping, and obviously me and John are a little bit slower than he is, and all I heard the whole way down that road was my subframe. Yeah, it was a bit brutal, but so worth it. Look at this. Look how nice this is. Oh, John's up there, Di's down there.
I'm gonna try to find crabs.
Are we going crabbing, are we? There you go, we're going crabbing.
I want to.
Oh, I nearly broke my neck. Well, we're done at that other place. No idea what it was called. But that was such a nice little place. Oh, my eye. But that was such a nice place. Me and Toby went and found some crabs and playing in the rock pool. Di ended up, because his daughter lost her shoe, he had to jump in and swim. But look at this road. Di's up ahead with just this big windy road. This is such a nice drive, and it helps we've got the weather. I mean, we get up here, we've got a nice windy road, you've got all the nice... Oh, it's just, look at that! Literally every corner shows a different beautiful sight. Right, I'm going to get this camera put down, and we're going to enjoy this road a little bit more. But I kind of just wanted to show how beautiful it was. Somebody on one of the comments said that I wouldn't be able to do this trip in my van because it was too low. I beg to differ. But I'm going to put this camera down, we're going to enjoy a bit of this road, and I think the plan is whenever we get somewhere that looks good, we're just going to stop and have a look. So see you in a bit when we get to somewhere, wherever that may be. So see you in a moment. I honestly wish I did film a bit more, because there's a few bits and bobs that I did miss along the way, but we was just enjoying our trip and enjoying our holiday. None of us have really had a holiday in a while, so it was just enjoying ourselves. But I do hope that you're enjoying what I have recorded. Right, we have managed to find somewhere to have a barbecue. Hey John.
It's going.
I haven't seen much of you.
No.
How's your journey?
Brilliant.
How's the old girl treating you?
Yes, the windows broke. Like a Rolls Royce.
To be fair, we have actually had quite a good journey. I'm not going to say that. We have actually had quite a good journey. Di, how's your journey been?
Mine is broken door handle.
Oh yeah, Di's got a broken door handle. John's got a broken window.
That's a tire on my own.
That's-
Broken sliding door.
yeah.
What door handle broke? Huh? What door handle?
But all in all, we've all had a very good journey. Me and John have hit the floor, and Di have all hit the floor a few times. But look at this place to have a barbecue. I mean, it is a bit windy, hence the hoodies. But barbecue in front of these three. How cool's that? We also went to a beach a minute ago. Ow! On a kneecap. We went to a beach a minute ago and we all decided it'd be a great idea to jump in. Well, I'm the king, that's why. So we're all trying everything. Barbecue, view, John.
Dog.
He's loving it.
Well, what are we doing from here? We're going to another beach and then up to our campsite? And,
Well, I don't really. Well, I got all these ones. Where's my phone?
So, we're gonna go through. We're gonna go through, cook up some barbecue food, and have a good time. So, once we've had our barbecue, pick a camera up, and I'll see you in a bit. See you in a mo. I completely forgot to pick a camera up again, but all we did after that, went to the campsite, carried on cooking, and just, well, this is the pictures from the campsite. And if you wait to the end, you'll be able to see some photos of when Di forgot to close his boot and all his stuff fell out. Genuinely one of the funniest things I've seen. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting out a bar that mass, and as always, take it easy.